Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is all about drugstore products to keep you looking fresh in your 30s. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm about to turn 34 years young. I am just looking for all the products that are super affordable because I use every product like a gorilla. Okay, I put my whole arm all the way up to my elbow trying to get everything out of the jar and put it all over my body because I'm trying to keep it fresh, trying to keep it young, trying to keep it cute. I'm really hyper focused on my skin right now, especially because I have age spots that are starting to join forces up over here thanks to my mama because she has melasma. I have it and I think so does everybody else in my generation. I don't want to do anything drastic like bleach my skin or do lasers or anything crazy like that. First of all, it's scary and it's super expensive. It's painful and the downtime I just cannot afford to be walking around like a mummy. I don't want to scare my baby, okay? I'm going to show you all the products that I use for my skin, for my hair, that keep me looking young and fresh, or at least in my opinion. You guys might think I look dusty and crusty, but you know. So I'm going to just jump into skincare, and the number one thing that everybody is going to be telling you until the day that you die is take off your makeup before bed. Now sometimes, or most of the time, I don't have the energy to sit there and scrub my face and use like 5 different products to wash my face. Now that's great. If you can do that and if you have the time, the energy, and the patience, yeah girl. I mean, I do that sometimes. I do that sometimes. But most days I just use a makeup wipe, and the ones I've been using for years would have to be the Neutrogena wipes, and these are maybe $7 at best at the drugstore. And you can get them in a 2-pack for sometimes as cheap as $11. So when I see that, I have to stock up. One wipe will take off my entire life. I've used so many different wipes, even ones from the department store that are way more expensive. And I'm telling you guys, nothing beats this wipe from Neutrogena. Let's talk about hair. Everything is affected when your hair looks good. When my hair looks like crap, I want to hide under a rock and don't come out. I want to wear a baseball cap, but it looks like I'm hiding from you, your mama, and maybe even your daddy. There's just so much to talk about as far as hair goes because there are certain ways to dry your hair so that you don't have damage. There's certain products and things like that. So if you guys would like to see a video about that, let me know in the comment section down below. But for today, I'm just going to show you 2 products that I am totally obsessed with and I really recommend that you guys try. They're super affordable and I promise that you guys will love them. First off would have to be a mask from Garnier Fruit Kiss, and this one is their damage repair treat, and it's only a 1-minute hair mask, so you can put this in your hair while you're taking a shower, either scrubbing or shaving. That takes usually 2 or 3 minutes depending on how furry you are, because I could be there all day long. I've noticed the difference when I let my hair air dry, that when my hair is super dry and dehydrated, it looks a hot mess. It almost looks like a broom. Not cute. I even saw smaller versions of it, so even cheaper. Already Garnier's products are super affordable. The hair dye that I use is only $6. So I'm telling you guys, check them out if you have not already. And trust me, this video is not sponsored. So I'm just telling you my total honest opinions. Also, I've been using a dry shampoo that's a travel size. I know I could get the bigger one, but I just wanted to test it out before I committed to the bigger size. You can find all kinds of goodies in the travel section for only $2 or $3. So I really love that and take advantage of that when you can. This one is from Herbal Essence. This is their Revitalize Dry Shampoo and it smells so good, you guys. It almost smells like I just took a shower, but I didn't because I'm crusty. So all you do is you take parts of your hair and you spray it. It doesn't have to be, part, like really sharp part. No, just like loosely spray your head like this. And then you just give yourself a good shake like this. I love giving hugs to people who just took a shower because I can smell their shampoo, or just dyed their hair because I can smell the product. That's exactly what's happening here. It feels fresh. Actually, it feels like nice and cool in my hair as well. So I just keep this in my purse, and if I need a little bit of a woof, I got it. I don't like to tease my hair too much, because taking knots out of my hair kind of hurts. I'm tender-headed. If you don't have the patience to scrub your face and do all of that and just want to pop something on while you're watching one of your favorite programs, I definitely recommend trying a face mask. These ones are from Freeman, and you can find these at the drugstore for $1 or $2. Super inexpensive. So many other brands like e.l.f., also Pacifica. A lot of them are natural products as well, doing sheet masks like Burt's Bees that have a really great one for underneath the eyes. There's just so many. Now, if you've not checked out these sheet masks before, you'd be blown away by how inexpensive they are, and they're really fun, especially if you have like a girls' night or maybe just want a moment to do some, self-care, self-love. Now we're gonna segue out of the masks and such and go into makeup really quick. I only have 1, 2, 3 more products to show you guys as far as keeping it young looking. Now, I'm all about hydration of the hair and also my skin. Now, my favorite moisturizer at the moment would have to be Olay's Total Effects Whip. This one smells amazing, like all the other products in this video, but this is a really nice, rich and thick moisturizer that immediately seeps into the skin, leaving your face just glowing, which I absolutely love. This is something that I use when I am in a rush or on a daily basis, or maybe I don't even have time for makeup and I just want my face to look really nice. So I definitely recommend this product. I really, really love another product from Garnier. This is from their Skin Active line. This is their Soothing Facial Mist. I have mentioned this in I think 2 or 3 of my recent videos, especially when I get ready in the car. This is my second bottle. I went through it so quickly. It's a facial mist that you can use before or after makeup application, even throughout the day if you need a little bit of a pick-me-up. And then also I use it when I apply my highlight to the high points of my face. As you guys can see, I will spray my face and spray my highlighting brush and then dip it into a powder. This is L'Oreal Paris's True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighting Palette. This one in particular is the 760 Moon Kissed, and they're very light. I use this bronzy one in the corner here. It's like the perfect shade for my skin tone. The other ones are either too chalky or too dark, but that one is like my favorite. I wish they sold it separately because I am constantly going into that palette for that shade. And my last favorite product would have to be this Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream, and I love anything that is close to or maybe 1 shade darker than my natural lip color. So this nude lip gloss is like the best. I'll definitely apply it when I'm driving a car. I know I'm not going to get it everywhere. It's pretty thick, it's not sticky, and it gives you a light plump, so you don't have to do any injections or anything crazy like that. So I really like it. Super affordable, and it's from the drugstore like all the other products in this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed all of my suggestions, and let me know if you've tried any of these and what your recommendations are in the comment section down below so we can help each other on this journey to keeping it looking fresh, young, tight, and right. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Joined my family, and I'll see you in the next one.